Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of n in this exponential equation, given that 3 to the power n multiplied by 3 to the power n multiplied by 3 to the power n equals 36. So to solve this, we are going to consider if this is 3 as the base, then we add the power together, which is n plus n plus n equals 36. And next we have 3 to the power of 3n equals 36. And with this one, by rewriting this as 3 to the power of n raised to the power of 3 equals 36. So we follow the rule of ND6. Then let's try to raise both sides by 1 over 3. As we have 3 to the power n raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 equals 36 raised to the power 1 divided by 3. So 3 cancelled 3, and we have this as 3 to the power n equals 36 raised to the power 1 divided by 3. So getting to this stage, we are going to introduce logarithm to both sides, as we have this as log 3 to the power of n equals log 36 raised to the power of 1 over 3. And by rule of logarithm, we have to transfer this n to the back of this log, and we transfer 1 over 3 to the back of this log. And we have this as n log 3 equals 1 divided by 3 log 36. And next we have, suppose we divide both sides by log 3. When we divide both sides by log 3, we have log 3 cancelled log 3. Then here we have n equals, so this 1 over 3 is separate, that is all of them are under this 1 over 3. Then for this one we put it in parentheses. Then here is log, so if I split this into 9 multiplied by 4 divided by log 3. So considering what we have above, which is the product log, we can write this as log 9 plus log 4 divided by log 3. Then n equals 1 divided by 3 into bracket of, so we can separate this as log 9 divided by log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3. Then n equals 1 divided by 3 into bracket of, so log 9 can be written as 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus, and also log 4 we can write it as 2 log 2 divided by log 3. So from what we have here, log 3 cancelled log 3. Then suppose we expand this one with 1 over 3. So here becomes 2 over 3 plus, so when we multiply 2, we also have this as 2 over 3. Then here becomes, we know we have log 2 divided by log 3, so we can write it as log 2 base 3. That is the rule. So, and as usual, we are done. Here is the solution that satisfies this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if we are new here to this channel and we find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.